What's up, guys? This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. I'm gonna do a little walk around of this 1949 Fleetmaster. It's got an LS motor in it, aluminum radiator. This thing runs and drives awesome. You got to check out the test drive video. I just got back. I went ahead and opened the trunk and the hood because I was wondering what was rattling in the back. Oh, we got complete floor pans. I haven't checked the floors yet, but I do have 100 detailed pictures of underneath this car. You can see on my website. Jeff, which is my uncle, he got up under there and took a bunch of pictures, and he does that for every car on the lot. If you're new to the page, please subscribe. I post videos like this every single day. I also got a Snapchat, a Facebook, and an Instagram you could follow us on, and I put different videos and stuff on there. But what we're gonna do here is a little walk around of this car. I'm gonna point out any kind of flaws all the way around on the interior, the trunk, anything I can find. And once I'm done with this video, if you don't mind, there'll be a link. You can watch the test drive. You gotta see it. All right. Looks like they got some custom pin striping on there. That is paint. It looks pretty cool. It's also on the hood. Paint job definitely needs to be redone. But if you're going for this look, it does look kind of a natural patina. I mean, that's a lot of people have been doing that here lately. They like that dry look. Like I said, it is an LS motor. The brakes are awesome on this car. Disc brakes. Drum on the back. But there is a lot of paint flaws, so we're gonna go over. You can see there's a bunch of chips in the front. I'm not gonna hit every single one of them. Normally I'd zoom in on all the chips, but that's on a car that's got a fresh paint job or something. It does have LED headlights, and they look pretty cool. Front end looks cool on this car as well. It's smiling, showing its teeth. The grill does have a little dent in the front. There's a lot of scuff marks from the age. See all the chips right there, chip there. Chip right above this. That's probably the worst chip on the whole car. Nice set of wheels and tires, American Racing wheels. Look at the bottom of the car here. Definitely some bubbles popping up right there. It looks like that's about to pop out. Some bubbles under the paint right there. Kind of cruising the bottom here. Little spot on the door. A lot of little scratches and chips on the door. See where the hood's been hitting there, on top of the fender. I will be putting the hood down so you can check it out. We'll do that at the end of the video. Windows are nice and clean. It's like the weather stripping around them's holding up pretty good. The top is sun faded, real oxidized. A lot of this trim looks like it's in good shape. Door handles showing some signs of pitting. Oh, I found one nice spot on the car. Tinted windows all the way around. They painted Super Sport on it. A lot of chips in the paint. Dual exhaust out the back, and this car sounds good. We'll be starting that up for you here in a moment. See, the insulation's kind of falling out in there. It's like they got overspray on it whenever they did paint it. Set of speakers in here, batteries in the back, spare tire. We'll lift this up, just kind of look under it. Not in bad shape. I assume it's gonna need those pans. I haven't actually looked. Like I said, you can see that online. We do take pictures of underneath the cars. Had some people asking if we buy stuff that's and not check it. Of course we check it. We're not gonna buy anything that's completely rusted out. Weather stripping looks pretty good in the trunk, and it did rain a lot yesterday. There's no water in here, so it's a good sign. Go ahead and shut this down. So the handle itself, I noticed when I opened it, all I had to do was turn the key and pull the handle. So I probably got to put the key back in it to get it to lock. Well, that locked it. It twisted a little bit. I guess the guy that pinstriped wrote his name back there behind the tag. A lot of oxidation. They even decked out the gas cap. A little lid on it. Ooh. She needs some oil. And guys, if you've seen that in the background, that's not for sale. That is a definite personal ride. I even tried to buy it. He wouldn't sell it to me. Little bubble in the paint there. A lot of little chips. Bubbles in the bottom of the door. There's a bunch of them at the bottom, so be aware of that. Stuff you need to know about there. There's actually a bubble right here on the hood. I noticed this emblem was loose. I think it's this side, it's missing a piece. It actually is. It's missing a little piece in there to clamp onto it. All right, let's go ahead and check the interior out. See what's up in here. Does need carpet. See, they got half the carpet in the back, but it is definitely old. They ripped out the front, got some insulation put down to probably get the road noise away. Door panel, you can tell it's old. Interior really does need to be redone. You could drive it the way it is. Good thing is, the headliner's nice. I feel like they may have redone that already. It looks good. Get you some new visors, and the seat's not ripped up or anything. It just looks old school. Back seat's the same way. Check the weather stripping. That's new. Somebody put that in. Look under the door here. It's like there's some definite rot on the bottom of the door that'll need to be taken care of. You can tell from the outside with the bubbles. The paint just chipped away here. B&M shifter. This car does run and drive good, guys. Check the dash out. You can see it's chipping. The sun's got to it. Digital dash. It's been upgraded and all the gauges work. Let's go ahead and start it up. It doesn't actually skip like that. All the gauges and numbers are solid. My camera picks up like that for some reason. But it's showing water temps 180. It's got the fuel gauge up there, and it did go down as we drove. Oil pressure's 31. 14.3 on the bolts. 3,785 miles. Go ahead and hit the windshield wipers. They work. And of course, no horn. I'm telling you. I'm gonna get one of them air horns and mess with y'all one day. Does have a tilt column. Very cool. It's been upgraded. Your fuse panel down here. It's got vents and stuff, and it does have the AC on the outside. I have not figured out how to cut it on. Let's open the glove box. Well, there it is. Vintage air. It's blowing, but I haven't go cold on it. Sounds like the AC is working. Car's idle changed, and it's cold. Good deal. All right, we checked everything out in here. Now listen to this. She's definitely got a growl. Go ahead and lower the hood down now. It's nice and easy to shut. Do got to push down on the corners. It is old school. All right, guys, if you have any other questions, please visit my website, maplemotors.com. I got 100 detailed pictures of this car inside out and underneath. Also got financing information, shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. Can all be found at maplemotors.com. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. I post videos like this every single day. We buy cars every single day. You can follow us on Snapchat, Instagram, and Facebook to get behind the scenes. A lot of times we post videos on there, and sometimes new cars get leaked before they get posted. I appreciate y'all watching, and thanks again, guys.